my friends. Happy Tuesday. So I just got the news that there is no more school for the rest of the school year, and I gotta tell you guys, I'm a little sad about it today. I really am. I miss you guys so much. You have no idea. Not seeing your faces every day has really, really been difficult. So, but I'm gonna try and cheer up for my phonics lesson and just know that I think about you guys all the time and I miss you a ton. All right. So our S blends. Here we go. Sk, sk, sl, sm, sn, sp, st, swa. Excellent. All right, here we go. Nonsense words. You're going to tell me the real word that rhymes with my nonsense word. All right, category today is things on your head. All right, so this is not smare, but it's hair. Good job. I don't have skiers, but I sure do have ears. Yes. We don't call these spips, but we could call them lips. Good. This is not my snin, but it sure is my chin. Yes. These are not my spylashes, but they're my eyelashes. These are not my skybrows. They're my eyebrows. This is not my snows. It's my nose. These are not my slies. They're my eyes. This is not my swouth. This is my mouth. These are not my steaks, but they are my cheeks. Good job. Always love that one. All right. I'm going to say a word. I want you to tell me the blend that you hear at the beginning, and I'll leave these up here for you so you guys can use these if you need any hints. All right, here we go. The word is slow. Good. Beginning blend, slow. Good. Sweep. Beginning blend, swa, swa. Snail. Beginning blend, sn. Nice. Steam. Beginning blend, st, st. Good. Spider. Ooh. Beginning blend, sp, sp. Steak. Beginning blend, st. Excellent. Speak. Beginning blend, sp. Slide. Beginning blend, sl. Good. Smile. Beginning blend, sm. You guys rocked that. Way to go. All right, here we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say it fast. S-O-A, sleigh. S-O-E-K, sleek. Step, step. Spide, spide. Scale, scale. Stone, stone. Sway, sway. Scope, scope. Sleet, sleet. And last one, stay, stay. Notice that in a lot of our words lately, you can hear the long vowel sound. For instance, when I said the word sleigh, did you hear the A say its name? And in the word scale, you heard the A say its name. So we're going to start talking more about those. Those are the long vowels. And long vowels just means that you're going to hear that vowel say its name. Okay? When we talk about our short vowels, that's when A says A and I says I, E says eh, O says ah, and U says like a gorilla. And your long vowels, like I said, are when they say its name. So we're going to start getting into that some more. All right. What you're going to do right now is you are going to use not your smears, but your ears. And I want you to listen for one of these S blends in the word that I read out loud. Okay? So, and then what you're going to do is you're going to decide, is it in the beginning of the word? Is it in the middle of the word? Or I'm going to reach down here and touch my toes if it's the final sound in the word. All right, here we go. Listed, listed. That's right, listed. So it was in the middle, right? The jiggly wiggly middle. All right, duster, duster, duster. Where was that blend? That's right, in the middle of the word. Good. Ooh, this is making me hungry. Spaghetti, spaghetti, right? Did you hear that? Yeah, at the beginning of the word. Ask, ask. So that was at the end of the word. Touch your toes. Nicely done. Wrist, wrist. Notice we had that st. Where'd you hear it? Good. At the end of the word. I'm touching my toes. Nice job. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to break it down. Word. I'll give you a hint with my fingers. Okay. Our first word, hachoo, is sneeze. Sneeze. Break apart that sneeze. Sneeze. Excellent. Next word has an S blend at the beginning. Smile. 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 And then break apart that smile. Beautiful. Slide. 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 Break apart that slide. Slide. Great job. Speak. 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 Break apart that speak. Speak. Steak. 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 Break apart that steak. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to become word magicians, and we're going to change that beginning blend in a word to form a new one. All right, so my word is slope. Slope. Change that sl to a sk. Scope. Good. My word is snow. Snow. Change that sn to a sl. Slow. My word is sweep. Sweep. Change that sw to a st. Steep. Good. My word is speak. Speak. Change the sp to a sn. Sneak. Yes. Good job. Moving right along, boys and girls. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take that S out of that beginning blend, and we're going to throw it out the window. All right. My word is swipe. Swipe. Take away that S. What's left? Wipe. Good. My word is spy. Spy. Take away that S. What's left? Pie. Oh, yes. I'd love some. Please. Please. Pretty please. All right. My word is stone. Stone. Take away that S. What's left? Tone. Sway. Sway. Take away that S. What's left? Way. Good job. All right. And last but not least, we are going to now add the S sound back to the beginning of our blend. Okay? So my word is weep. Add S to the beginning. Sweep. Good. My word is peak. Add S to the beginning. Speak. Good. My word is lice. Ooh. Add S to the beginning. Slice. My word is low. Add S to the beginning. Slow. My word is cape. Add S to the beginning. Scape. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and practice stretching and spelling some words with our S blends. All right, first word I want us to stretch and spell is the word skip. Skip. So did you hear that blend at the beginning, right? Skip. So if I was holding up my fingers, sk, ip. So we're going to have 4 sounds, and we just need to break apart that beginning blend, right? Sk, ip. Good. Can you guys see that? Here, let me switch markers. I was using my brown one. I don't think you guys can see that as well. Sk, ip. Good. And that sk at the beginning is either this one or this one. In this case, we're going to go with the S and the K. Sk, I. What letter says I? I. Skip. Skip. Nice. Nicely done. All right. Next one is going to be smog. Reminds me of the Lorax. Okay, smog. Smog. So if I was holding up my fingers, smog. And then we got to break apart that sm because there's 4 sounds. So sm, and that ending sound, g, smog. Great job, boys and girls. You did fantastic today. I will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic Tuesday and know that I love you very much.